Hello, guys. My name is Sridhar Punia, and I'm your anchor. I'm your host, and as you can see that I'm your teacher because I really don't think so. Any coaching, any school, and any institute to giving you this kind of information, this kind of knowledge. Look, knowledge is all, or not about that people who want every opinion which they really don't experience. Knowledge is all about that your inner happiness, okay, your inside energy, your happiness. Look, India is not really think what you are. Listen, I'm giving you a very serious example. Have you ever heard about Swami Vivekananda? In America, in Chicago, Swami Vivekananda, Rajneesh Osho, Nirmala Devi, Ramkrishna Paramhans. I am giving you these are the magical men in look Kenchi Dham. I really don't know what their name is, but in a Nainital there is a temple of Kenchi Dham. India is not really think you what you are. Here are a very spiritual and very incredible human being born here. Even America listen to them and just madness what they are saying. Okay, this is the India, and every decade, right now you are seeing that the Mr. Jaggi Vasudev, and there is another one whose name is one is I don't even remember right now name, but India is a country which giving a very spiritual, very incredible human, which even America says they are a god man. Even America, USA says. In America, you can say that now we are Indian or still look like American, because I'm telling you a very great thing. I don't know in my village, who's my neighbor is, who marrying someone. There is no feeling about marriage. There is no feeling about child, mother. I'm giving you, this is the feeling right now which I am feeling in India. People who drunk all day in alcohol, and I really have no inside pain that they are suffering from any kind of suffering. You can see outside if you just travel the town and village and cities, you can easily see that no hard feelings right now today. So now you can easily say that India is like America. But one thing will never change. One thing will never change, and I really don't know. No one can answer it. No one can answer it, because because we have seen dictator rule. Okay, that Raja Maharaja time. You see that there is a king, queen. Okay, we have seen that time. Then we have seen the foreigner living here over 200 years. Okay, British rule here over 200 years. We have seen that time. Then we have seen a government, and yes, their corruption, lioness, and all these religion issue, caste issue, politics, dirty politics. We have seen this. But one thing I really don't understand why is like this, that India is the only nation who giving to the world time to time a very incredible, a very look. I'm telling you a very good story. These the scripture you are following, that Ram, Sita, their Hanuman, they all are real, okay? They all are real. But you see, one thing I'm telling you, these all are mythological story. They are, yes, they are history. Even Japan and Korea accepted that these Ramayana, Mahabharata, all were actually happened, and these are the actual history. But one thing I'm telling you, these all are just fake, that you have heard thousands of story of Rama and Krishna. Look, have you ever seen Ramayana on television? I have seen childhood. You know, Ram is a full of get up, Sita is so beautiful and so full of cosmic. Then they are visiting like as a visitor. They are, no. You can't imagine the reality of forest. In forest, you live just 2 days. You just live 2 days. You know, actually, your body gonna be smell, your eyes, your hair will be fallen, and there are thousands of problems you will face in forest. But in TV, what you can see? Oh, Mr. Arun Govil, who played Ramchandra. Oh, Rama is so beautiful. He's a very good-hearted man. What kind of, are you really think that you have seen the reality in that TV shows, that Ramayana, Mahabharata, all these all are fiction, okay? And all the story you heard about that, or that Hanumanji take a big roof, and you see, I really a big of mountain on their hand, and then they fly. I really think these are actually true. So, and yes, also we have heard that Hanumanji took all the sky, and these all are sun on their mouth, and then all the pray that these all, look, I'm giving you in 2026, still people believe in that story. No one want to see reality, okay? No one want to see reality. No one want to accept the reality. In my village, I'm giving you a very, look, I have seen so dirty mind people. So dirty mind people. And they, outside the temple, Hanumanji, Rama, Ram, Sita. In my village, I have seen so many, this kind of dirty mind people. If you just ask them, what is the good thing, what is the bad thing, what is the stupidity, what is the smart one, just ask them. All the whenever you see some kind of these devotion men in my house, just see your mother, who always pray to your that statue, and just pray. Ask your mom, ask your mother, ask all your who did all this kind of thing, devotion, that they are very pure and very devotion. Just ask them a very, very simple thing. Just tell me, what is the good thing, what is the bad thing, what is the stupidity, what is the smart one. Just ask them 2 or 3 things. You will know how exactly the human being are. How exactly the human being are. So all I'm just telling you, just always go to in depth. always go to in depth and just check the reality. Check the reality with your own experience, with your own taste. Look, if you just seen Kaju Katli, okay, you always gonna heard rumor about that Kaju Katli is so tasty, Kaju Katli is so healthy, and you should. But until you won't eat it, how you can decide that Kaju Katli is what kind of taste Kaju Katli is? Okay, so first you have to eat it, Kaju Katli. Then you will know that, oh wow, what kind of taste it is. People who are look going to these kind of religion politics and this kind of religion drama, that they are so devotional and they are so pure, and I mean, just check them reality. Okay, you can't sit with them 2 minutes. You will bore. You will absolutely bore. That what kind of rubbish they are talking about. Just go somewhere, okay, and then talk there this kind of bullshit. So all I'm just giving you that always just use your logical mind. Follow everything. I mean, yes, if I have to make body, I really want to, I will follow Mr. Hanumanji. Yes, what kind of bodybuilder he has? What kind of bodybuilder? I really don't think so. Even Great Khali is a big fan of man. All the you see all the wrestler, and they just took a vow of Hanumanji, because yes, he is a pure bodybuilder man, pure Iron Man. So yes, we have to follow this kind of thing. But these all are the rumors you are following without experience, and just listen to the world that. And also, I'm giving you a very three kind of things. You know what? How girls upbringing in India? लड़की तो देवियाँ होती है, लड़की तो लक्ष्मी होती है. And you see what kind of consequence is this? When these girls turn to in 15 and 16, they actually think they are some kind of devotional lady. They are Lakshmi, they are some kind of Devi. They will do exactly right thing. They can't do what kind of bullshit there. In a school, we always just see that difference. Girls used to never get a punishment, never got a punishment, and boys got a punishment. So we have seen this kind of, but this reality gonna change. I'm telling you, this circle will change, this reality will change. Yes, you want some equal? Yes, all you women empowerment, feminist, yes, Nari Sashakti-karan, you really want, you want to equal with men? Yes, you will. I'm telling you, you will. You will have all the equality, all the authority which exactly men have. Yes, I'm looking very clearly that you will be equal. Yes, so many harassment you have seen in your life. Yes, good. Yes, so yes, and look, today's topic is this topic is too lengthy, so I will take 15 and 20 days to this topic. And yes, we will discuss many more things. Okay, we will discuss many more things. So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you really think that my channel is very helping you and it is giving you a very actual information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And again, I'm telling you, always just use your logical mind. Okay, because your logical, if you are man, sense matter, common sense matter, logic matter. Okay, Yes.